Entrepreneurial update from the road. I landed last night flying from New York City to Chicago O'Hare Airport. And as I left the National Women's Soccer League in New York, a cohort of women that are trying to empower themselves beyond the field, seeing themselves truly as business athletes and identifying what that business beyond the field looks like. And I began this discussion with them around what money is, how to use it, and truly how to begin to identify where they're going to treat their paycheck like employees. Entrepreneurial, burn, gut-wrenching. I got this new device, an Osmo 3, had it on the table, recorded an hour and a half session, or so I thought. Apparently, user error. I did not get that film. I didn't get the recording. What went wrong? I will truly never know. But the lesson is getting here, landing, and trying to find that film, seeing it wasn't there, absolutely crushed me. This dream, this vision, this thing I have to show you, this audience of what I do best, stand and facilitate a conversation about money, poof, gone. Now, I'm going to present later today. I'm going to be able to record more, but that session, that beautiful interaction, those moments, the laughters, the ahas, the questions that I wanted to record are all gone. And as any entrepreneur knows, you have two choices. You can cry and quit, or you can learn and go forward. As you know, my message to these young men today at the Alpha Tau Omega Leadership Conference is going to be built around being a professional and, more importantly, understanding that failure is part of the process. I have not begun to share this emotional, this behind-the-scenes view of myself, and no surprise, my first attempt did not go as directed or as I hoped. That is part of the game. If you think the first one you do in anything is going to be a success, you're wrong. People tell me all the time, Jed, I'm thinking about posting. I'm thinking about starting a podcast. I'm thinking about doing so many different things, writing a book. And I say, great. Tell me when you've posted 100 things on social media. Podcast, tell me when you get to episode 15. Book, tell me when you get to chapter 9. Stop telling me about the title, about the cover. Stop telling me about all the beautiful ideas. ChatGPT can tell you an endless list of what to do. It's how to go do it. And how to do it is more mindset than it is an understanding. It's the ability to want and accept you're going to fail. You are going to fail. It crushed me to see that I failed in my first attempt interacting with this. I truly don't even know if this is recording yet. We're going to find out shortly. But as an entrepreneur, I want you to understand this concept. You have to fail. Why? Because anything you try for the first time, for the first 20 times, you're not going to be good at. Don't expect to be the best. Don't expect to see somebody on social media. Don't even expect to see me and be like, I can do what that guy did. I've been doing this for 15 years. I've been journaling my thoughts for 20 plus years. This dialogue, this voice inside your head isn't something you just pick up and hear. It's something that you have to embody. And over time, you can start to translate it. As I look at my show and my episode and my thing today, this is going to become more and more of who I am. I want to let you in on the ups and the downs of being an entrepreneur. I start 2026, as you saw in my last post. I don't know my goals. It scares me, it terrifies me, but it excites me. That fear, that understanding, that idea. Do I have direction? Absolutely. Do I have short-term things I'm working on? 100%. Book coming out this year, YouTube channel already begun. But as I look out into the future, I can't tell you where I'm going in 1 year, let alone 5 years. That is terrifying. But as an entrepreneur, you have to accept the gray. You have to accept that insecurity. You have to accept the idea you're going to wake up and have that gut-wrenching feel that you were told no, that you failed, that thing you thought you had, poof, is gone. That is part of the journey. I share this with you as an encouragement, as a welcoming that says, just because you got kicked down doesn't mean the game is over. Begin your journey. That is truly the only thing you could control. As you see what you want to go do, try. Welcome the fail. Let's go get it.